Mr. Maxonian.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. And I'm over to the Royal Oak in Woolston towards Nantwich, and we're just on the back field here waiting for the arrival of the cars from the WEAVER show here that's going on. And they set off from another place and come to here. I got slightly mixed up. I went to the other place, and they'd already set off, so they're on the journey, riding round and coming back to here. So I've timed this absolutely fantastically well and get these cars coming in bit by bit. I have taken my hay fever tablets this morning. I'm glad I have, in this field. Just get past this chap and get the cars coming in. There's over 100 cars coming in to the show here. With this dip here. This is a Porsche. This one here. And the sun's just come out as well, which is good. So yeah, that's a Ford Escort. Probably early 70s, I think, that one. So there's no more just at a second. They are a bit slow at coming in, apparently. They aren't all going to come in together. Yeah, so I've just spoken to the chap there, who's one of the marshals here, and he's not too sure how long the show's been going on here, but it used to be in the town centre, this show, and I think it's been going over 40 years, this show here. It's the first time I've ever been to it, but yeah, they sent to meet up somewhere and go off and come back, but the location of where they were going to go back to today has got something going on, so they're not allowed to go back to that location, so they're coming here instead to the Royal Oak at Woolston. So that's where it's been held this time. But yeah, I haven't seen any more cars come in just yet. And what I might do is I might just go on the roadside here and get them coming in from the roadside inwards. I think that'll probably be a better video. And it's lovely and warm now, actually. I've got my trousers on today. It was cloudy when I set off, but look at it now, blue skies, and the sun is out. So yeah, I'm surprised I haven't got anybody here on this gate here, telling them where to go. There was a Jaguar in the car park, and I don't know if he's parked up accidentally actually in the car park of the pub, but there's signage here. So yeah, it's run by the Rotary Club of Crewe and Nantwich WEAVER, and it's supporting local charities. So www.weaverwanderer.co.uk, classic sports car run, the WEAVER Wanderer 2025. So yeah, this is Dulson's training. Don't know what that does there. It's quite a nice sight. But Yeah, we'll wait for the cars to come in now. So not too sure how long we're going to be waiting here. But, yeah, we'll see. So yeah, there is a marshal actually coming down to this gate here. Not sure whether they're going to go to that gate there. But, yeah, they are coming to here. With me standing here, I don't think they're going to miss this and the sign here as well. So yeah, there's a couple actually coming down now. But they seem pretty friendly anyway. I've spoken to a couple of them. So yeah. Chevrolet truck. Could hear that coming down the road. Not gonna lie. From the 60s, this one. I think it's a D10 model. Super automatic. Towards the 80s, I think, that one. The old Saab. Like a creamy beige colour. Yeah, Bentley, this one. Buford. The old Bentley Buford. So there's 110 cars coming in this show. I'd say there's probably about 9 in the field, 10 perhaps. So we're waiting on the other 100 currently. The old Austin there. And the MG as well. The Austin Maestro, 1.3 litre. And an MG in like a white creamy colour. So I've got a couple there. I wasn't wrong. Yeah, the old Jaguar there. And here we've got a Porsche Spider T1 T18, I think. The old Jaguar there. BMW. M. couple actually. Yeah, they're coming in the droves now. Old Triumph. TR4. And a Mazda MX-5, I think. So this show here is to support local charities. Let's not forget that. Yeah, the old Mini. Austin Cooper S. Yeah, so we've got some more now. Austin Healey. And I think this is a Nissan, I'm not too sure. No, it's a Mazda Roadstar. A Mazda Roadstar. So off goes the Austin Healey. And the Mazda Roadstar as well. This is another Mazda coming through. Newer one, this one. Skyat MX-5. Just showing you the old and the new. See a lot of old MX-5s around at these shows. And this is one of the latest ones. Yeah, BMW Z4. Again, another modernised vehicle. Yeah, the old Triumph here. Stag. It's nice and shiny, that one is. And we have got one that's just leaving us actually. Didn't manage to pick up on record before. I am now. You'll get the back end of this one. The Loran. That cool. The Triumph Stag. Ooh, they've missed the turning. So yeah, Triumph Stag. There in like a maroony browny colour. More maroon. It's another Jaguar, I think, this one. Sunbeam. It's a Sunbeam. Talbot. There's one or two, I think, coming in now. TVR. There you go. I think he's just at the bottom. It goes down like a little dip there. It's just straight at the bottom of his car, I think. Yeah. This guy's going to go on the car park because he's got a low car, and he's quite low on the floor. He's coming back through. Got a Mini here now. I think some of these have missed the turning. Another TVR coming. Ford Focus. They were quite a popular car back in the early noughties. That Tucson. Yeah. Thought it was a TVR. Maybe it is. Not too well off. I think he scraped his car on the bottom of that as well. This is quite low as well, isn't it? Goes down like a little hump, as we saw at the start of the video. And he's going to have trouble when it gets to that. See, that Mini's just gone there now. Just gone up there. So yeah, I got some more coming now. An old Alfa Romeo, wow. Don't see many of them. 2000. And this is an Audi TT S. So, yeah, look at that, the old Alfa Romeo. Wow. So we did have a couple of old Minis, but now we've got one of the new ones. And we've got a Triumph Stag, another Triumph Stag behind. I know it's not, it's a Honda. It's an old Honda, that one. I do apologise, thought it was a Stag and an MG, the old MG. So yeah, that's an old Honda. Just there. And the old MG. That's a really old MG, that one. So yeah, that's the end of part one. Come back tomorrow for part two.